I am going to be making the most succulent roast chicken, and it's just really simple. I'm going to stick it in the air fryer. So if you come in and you just want a really quick roast dinner made, yeah, get your chicken with all your herbs and spices on, whichever you want to use. So I'm going to get this into a bowl now.
Right.
I'm going to add...
Hang on, one minute. You're going to cook a chicken, a full chicken,
Yes.
in an air fryer?
Yes, and it's going to take roughly 42 minutes for this size.
A whole chicken in 42 minutes?
This weight is a 1.2 kilogram. It's going to take about 42 minutes, and you just stick it in there and just do what you want, and then you come back and it's done. So I'm going to start off
Okay.
getting the oil all over it,
Okay.
all over its bottom side, and then I'm going to add salt.
Right. Are you sure it's going to work?
Yeah, I'm going to add pepper. Get quite a lot in there because we're going to mush it all up in a minute. I'm using thyme.
Got to have a little bit of time.
Get it all in, all down there.
Oh, wow.
And I'm going to be using mixed herbs as well. You could add lemon if you want. You can add all different flavours if you want, but this is what I'm using. A little bit more oil because now we're going to mush that all in. Get it all coated.
wow.
A little bit more on the other side there for me, Mark.
Okay,
Yeah.
a little bit more there.
Yep, and a little bit more there.
Okay.
Yep, thank you. Get it all worked in, all in the legs, all on top. Ooh, and then simply get your chicken, stick it in your air fryer.
Oh, that's it? That's
I will
it?
need your help. Get those potatoes in round it.
Right. Well, just put the potatoes in
Yeah,
it?
just put them in.
Where put them? Anywhere?
Yep.
Okay.
Drizzling the
Some
rest
there.
just on top.
Okay, the potatoes are
Drizzling
in.
the rest on the potatoes. And get that in the air fryer.
Well, that's it?
That's it.
And that's going to cook?
It certainly is.
How is that going to cook? Eh? Right, and how long do I put on for?
42 minutes, and we're going to do 190.
42 minutes. 190. Right, let's come back in a bit then.
And that should be done now. Come on over. Oh, wow. Look at that. All crispy. It smells amazing. And look at those little potatoes.
Oh my God, that does look absolutely amazing.
Wow. So let's get this out now.
It looks like my nan's sunbathing.
Oh my God, there's a little potato stuck up its, oops.
Oops.
Oh, that does look good, doesn't it?
That looks unreal. Is that crispy skin as well?
Yeah. Should we give it a cut?
Go on then.
So succulent.
Oh my God, look at that. That is literally like done to perfection. Absolutely amazing.
I'll try it.
Is that good?
The only way to do chicken now.
Guys, how good does that look? And what's that over there?
A potato. I used to think doing it in the slow cooker was good, but this just takes it one step higher. Crispy skin, 40 minutes, just brilliant. And guys, if you want any more savvy ideas, follow the page. Do you want to try a bit, Mark?
Yes, please. Oh, and them roast potatoes look absolutely amazing as well. Oh, that is good. I'll give you that one, Lou. That is really good.